Hello everyone, I'm John, and I have a couple of rifles in front of me today because I want to talk to you about Ishapore 2A1 stripper clips. So when I first bought my Ishapore, I already had my Mauser. I have seen 3 separate types of stripper clips for the Mauser. However, although they will all fit 308 rounds, none of them actually feed into the Ishapore properly. So I looked at a lot of forums and things, and people said different things that would fit inside of here. The one that I eventually found is M14 stripper clips. So it just fits in there, and you can strip it around. I actually grabbed a few. Now, one of the reasons I liked this gun was because I saw it in a movie. Of course, not the Ishapore. I saw the actual Lee Enfield in a movie, and they used 2 stripper clips, and I just thought, wow, that's pretty neat. So I have my stripper clips here. You can just put it in the guide and then push it down in there. Let me load the second one. And I will tell you, it is much easier to load that way than to use the standard method of loading it in one at a time into the magazine. The magazine is kind of deep on these rifles, so the stripper clip really helps as a guide. So let me set this out of the way, and we will talk about what all came and what I bought. I bought what's called an M14 Repack Kit, and my M14 Repack Kit came with like 3 or 4 different things depending on how you classify it. The first is it came with this bandolier, which is all the way connected, so you can put it over your shoulder like this and just carry ammo. It's not really designed to be like a quick loading tool. It's just designed to help you carry it and package it. It is marked Nato 7.62mm ball M80, 5-round standard clips, lot RA5381. Inside of each of these, it came with these little cardboard sleeves, and the cardboard sleeves are designed to fit 2 stripper clips, so I'll be loading this while we're talking. It's designed to fit 2 stripper clips inside of the pouch so that you can hold them in there and not wear out the pouch as quickly. These types of things are not designed to be multiple use items. They're designed to be used once and then thrown away. So since they are surplus, they're not in the best condition. I have another bandolier that was meant to be reused, and it is in good condition. It was a part of like standard kit, whereas this is more designed for packaging and sending. So if I load these 308 rounds into here, then I can shove it down into this bandolier and then put the little cover back on. Now, the M14 is designed to be magazine loaded instead of clip loaded. So what that means is you would use these stripper clips to load the magazines and then just load all of your magazines. And it's a quicker way of reloading than to load them one at a time. Because of this, it also comes with a magazine guide. I would assume that this magazine guide will not fit on the Ishapore, although I've never actually tested it. But generally speaking, the clip guide is going to fit somewhat like that on the top of the magazine. And then the clip will slide into there. So the repack kit included the bandolier with all of the little cardboard sleeves. It came with the guide to load the M14 magazines, and then it came with 12 clips. And the 12 clips will fit inside of this. It has 6 pouches and 2 clips in each pouch. That is what my kit came with, and that's what all repack kits will come with. Some of them will have new production cardboard sleeves. Some of them will have surplus cardboard sleeves. Mine came with surplus. So if you Google M14 Repack Kit, you can find these things for roughly $20, and it comes with the stripper clips that you'll need. So I wanted to do this video to tell you about that because I had a hard time finding somebody saying definitely or a video saying definitely this will work. However, you saw me load 10 rounds into this Ishapore magazine using stripper clips.